Practice English listening. The morning routine. The room is quiet and dark. The only light comes from a small digital alarm clock on the bedside table. Suddenly, the alarm rings loudly. Beep, beep, beep. John opens his eyes slowly and blinks a few times. He reaches over and presses the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes, he thinks, closing his eyes again. But soon the alarm rings again. Beep, beep, beep. John sighs and sits up in bed. Okay, time to get up, he says to himself. He stretches his arms above his head and yawns. The room is still a little chilly, so he pulls on his warm slippers. John walks to the bathroom. He turns on the light and looks in the mirror. His hair is sticking up in all directions. He laughs quietly. I look like a sleepy hedgehog, he thinks. He picks up his green toothbrush, squeezes some minty toothpaste onto it, and begins to brush his teeth. The fresh taste of the toothpaste wakes him up a bit more. After rinsing his mouth, he splashes his face with cool water. It feels refreshing and he feels more awake. Next, John goes to his closet. What should I wear today? He wonders. He takes out a blue t-shirt and a pair of jeans. These will do, he decides. He gets dressed quickly and then runs a comb through his hair to make it look neat. He smiles at himself in the mirror. Much better, he thinks. John heads to the kitchen. The smell of freshly brewed coffee fills the air. His mom is there, pouring coffee into a mug. Good morning, John, she says with a smile. Good morning, Mom, John replies. What's for breakfast? We're having scrambled eggs and toast, his mom answers. Do you want some orange juice, too? Yes, please, John says, sitting down at the kitchen table. His mom places a plate of scrambled eggs and a slice of toast in front of him. John picks up his fork and takes a bite of the eggs. They are warm and fluffy. Yum, he says. Glad you like it, his mom replies. She pours him a glass of orange juice. John takes a sip, and the sweet, tangy flavor makes him smile. As he eats, John thinks about his day. He has school in the morning and soccer practice in the afternoon. It's going to be a busy day, he thinks. After finishing breakfast, John helps his mom clear the table. He washes his plate and glass, then dries his hands. He looks at the clock on the wall. Oh, it's almost time to go, he exclaims. John quickly grabs his backpack from the hallway. He checks to make sure he has everything. Notebooks, pencils, and his lunch. He puts on his jacket and heads to the front door. Have a great day at school, John, his mom says as he opens the door. Thanks, Mom. See you later, John replies, waving goodbye. He steps outside and feels the cool morning air on his face. The sun is shining, and the birds are singing. John takes a deep breath, smiles, and walks to the bus stop, ready to start his day.